Farm animals. Hello, little farmers. Are you ready to meet some wonderful farm friends today? Let's get started. First up, we have the cow. Can you say cow with me? Great job! Cows are big and friendly, and they go moo moo. Now, look who's here. It's the chicken. Can you say chicken? Awesome! Chickens are small and fluffy, and they go cluck, cluck. Next, let's meet the sheep. Say sheep with me. Well done! Sheep are fluffy and have cozy wool. They go baa, baa. Now, say hello to the horse. Can you say horse? Fantastic! Horses are strong and love to run. They go neigh, neigh. Last but not least, say hi to the duck. Can you say duck? You're amazing! Ducks are quacky and love to swim. They go quack, quack. And there you have it, little farmers. We met some wonderful farm friends today: cow, chicken, sheep, horse, and duck. They make the farm a happy and lively place. Keep exploring and enjoying the company of these farm friends. Bye-bye for now, and have a fantastic day on the farm.